This is amazing. Today on the 13th of June 2022 we have Södra Kungsvägen 238 next to the Brevik stop, or Brevik. Is this place, I mean, like the district of Lidingö, probably?
Yeah.
Brevik, Lidingö. Lidingö Island, Stockholm's, and Stockholm, Sweden. Capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams. Drop hydraulic.
Yeah.
Amazing, it has the air on it also, with 5 floors. We started on the basement floor, more minus one. It was built in 1990, 30 years old in 2020, and the number is H83907. This has 2 rights, of course.
Yeah.
Yes. I might sit down here. It will be inspected in the next month of July 2022, this year. Luckily it was not yet modernized.
Yeah.
Still in very good shape, it's very fresh.
Yeah. Spectate paikki-wise, maintained by Kone.
There's a door open by the way Kone here also.
Yeah.
I really love the sounds and the smell here.
Yes.
It's really nice and cozy.
Yeah.
Of course, it might be from early 1990, but it's not completely ruled out that it could be late 90s, because even at 91, 92 they had those lampshades.
Yeah.
So yeah, it could also be late 1990s because they are the these ones. I mean,
Yeah.
thank you very much for watching.
That's
it.